Picture a planet crowned with shimmering rings, spinning like a cosmic jewel, its storms raging fiercer than Earth's wildest hurricanes, and moons that might cradle alien life. Welcome to the dazzling, untamed realm of Saturn. Join me on a journey to the heart of our solar system's showstopper, Saturn, the gas giant adorned with icy rings that gleam like a cosmic halo. Imagine a world of swirling storms, moons with methane rivers, and a beauty that hides a ferocious spirit. In this video, we'll soar through its turbulent skies, marvel at its rings' delicate dance, and explore moons that could rewrite the story of life. We'll trace humanity's quest to know this Lord of the Rings, from telescope glimpses to spacecraft voyages, and dream of future missions to unlock its secrets. Buckle up for Saturn, a planet of grandeur, mystery, and wonder that sparks awe about our place in the stars. Picture Saturn, a golden giant glowing in the solar system's distant reaches, its orbit spanning nearly 30 Earth years, almost a human lifetime. 9 times wider than Earth at 120,000 kilometers, it's vast enough to engulf our planet, yet so light it could float on water, its density lower than a balloon's, filled with hydrogen and helium. This gas giant has no solid surface, just a swirling sea of clouds hiding a dense core of molten rock and metal. Its rapid 10.6-hour spin flattens it into an oblate shape, the equator bulging like a cosmic pancake, sculpted by gravity and rotation. Formed 4.5 billion years ago from a disk of dust and gas, Saturn coalesced in the Sun's chaotic nursery, its gravity shaping a miniature solar system of 83 named moons and vast rings. This cosmic gatekeeper nudges asteroids and comets, stabilizing orbits across the solar system. Its golden hue from ammonia clouds has captivated humanity since ancient times. Assyrians in 700 BCE charted it as a divine star, Greeks named it Kronos, and Romans called it Saturnus, tying it to harvest and time, with Saturday as its legacy. Galileo's 1610 telescope revealed its ears, later identified as rings by Huygens in 1655, crowning Saturn as the solar system's jewel. Saturn's rings, a delicate halo of ice, and its moons, from tiny shepherds to giant Titan, form a celestial ballet. Its low density and immense gravity make it a paradox, a lightweight Titan shaping the cosmos. Studying Saturn offers clues to gas giant formation, informing James Webb's exoplanet research. Culturally, it's a muse, from ancient myths to sci-fi visions of ringed worlds. Saturn's glow, as Diane Ackerman wrote, trembles with its own splendor, urging us to ask, what secrets does this cosmic jewel hold? Imagine drifting in Saturn's skies, wrapped against a freezing minus 184 degrees Celsius, where the air glows a hazy gold, painted by ammonia and methane clouds. Winds scream at 2,800 kilometers per hour, faster than a jet, swirling with a bitter chemical tang, unlike Earth's fresh breeze. This gas giant's atmosphere, a turbulent mix of hydrogen and helium, layers into a hazy upper veil, a stormy cloud deck, and a deep, slushy core where pressures forge strange liquids. Beneath this serene facade, chaos rules. Hubble's 2020 images and Cassini's 2011 data revealed massive storms, like the Great White Spot, a planet-girdling tempest with lightning 1,000,000 times stronger than Earth's. The South Pole hosts a hurricane larger than the U.S., spotted in 2004, while the North Pole's hexagonal vortex, seen by Voyager in 1981 and still spinning in 2023, defies explanation with its sharp, six-sided shape. These storms, fueled by Saturn's internal heat and 15-year seasons, unfold slowly, driven by a rapid 10.6-hour rotation that whips clouds into golden bands. Auroras, mapped by Cassini in 2017, light the poles with solar wind energy, a cosmic dance. Saturn's weather mirrors distant gas giants, aiding exoplanet studies via James Webb, and echoes Earth's polar vortices, refining climate models. Ancient Mesopotamians saw its glow as a storm god's sign, while today's sci-fi, like Interstellar, draws from its tempests. Picture floating in this golden storm, winds roaring, lightning flashing, a reminder of nature's cosmic power. Saturn's skies ask, what other worlds churn with such wild fury? Saturn's rings, a radiant halo stretching 280,000 kilometers, wider than 20 Earths, are so thin, no thicker than a two-story house, they'd vanish if turned edge-on. They gleam like a cosmic mirror, their rings shine casting a glow across Saturn's clouds. Not solid disks, they're a blizzard of icy fragments, from powdery snow to house-sized boulders, swirling at 20,000 to 40,000 kilometers per hour, too perilous for spacecraft. These rings, sculpted by Saturn's gravity, form 7 bands, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, each unique. The A ring is translucent, the B ring dense with icy chunks, the C ring faint, and the F ring braided by shepherd moons Prometheus and Pandora, as Cassini captured in 2017. Enceladus's geysers, found in 2005, feed the E ring with fresh ice. Their origins, perhaps a shattered moon 100 million years ago, per Cassini's 2019 data, remain debated, with erosion suggesting they may fade in millions of years, a fleeting cosmic artwork. Gaps like the Cassini division, cleared by Mimas's gravity, and propeller moonlets, spotted in 2010, reveal gravitational choreography, mirroring planetary disk formation. James Webb's exoplanet studies draw parallels, while the ring's ice holds clues to solar system origins. Galileo's 1610 glimpse of Ears and Huygens' 1655 ring confirmation sparked wonder, echoed in sci-fi like 2001: A Space Odyssey and citizen scientists' Cassini analyses. Imagine sailing above these icy bands, their fragments sparkling like diamonds against Saturn's golden glow, a transient masterpiece. The rings urge us to cherish fleeting wonders, whispering, what other marvels await in the stars? Saturn's 83 named moons form a celestial troupe, each a unique world of ice, rock, and enigma, orbiting in the planet's tilted embrace under a faint golden glow cast by its rings and clouds. Chilled to a frigid -180 degrees Celsius, their surfaces gleam with water ice, dusted with organic grime and scarred by ancient collisions, like cosmic canvases painted with stories of the solar system's birth. Named for titans and gods from Greek mythology, Titan, Enceladus, Mimas, and more, these moons range from tiny shepherd satellites, like Pandora and Prometheus, which sculpt the rings with their delicate gravitational nudges, to giants like Titan, larger than Mercury, with an atmosphere denser than Earth's. Some moons are mere icy pebbles, while others harbor subsurface oceans and hints of life, each a chapter in Saturn's epic saga, whispering secrets that could redefine our place in the cosmos. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is a colossus, 50% bigger than Earth's moon and rivaling Mercury in size. Its surface, unveiled by Cassini's Huygens probe in 2005, mirrors Earth with a haunting familiarity. River channels carved by methane rain snake across plains, feeding lakes and seas as vast as the Great Lakes, their surfaces rippling under an orange haze. Titan's atmosphere, rich in nitrogen and methane, is 10 times denser than Earth's, cloaking the moon in a smog-like veil that feels like a Los Angeles fog bank, heavy with the scent of hydrocarbons. Beneath this haze lie dunes of organic particles, stretching hundreds of kilometers, and gooey deposits, neither solid nor liquid, that hint at the chemistry of early Earth. In 2023, scientists like Margaret Tolbert, recreating Titan's haze in lab experiments, found complex organic molecules forming under simulated sunlight, sparking speculation about microbial life. Yet Titan's bone-chilling -179-degree surface and lack of liquid water temper these hopes, making it a frozen laboratory for prebiotic chemistry rather than a thriving biosphere. Enceladus, a diminutive ice ball no wider than Texas, steals the spotlight with its dazzling geysers, discovered by Cassini in 2005. These plumes erupt from tiger-stripe fissures at the South Pole, spraying water vapor, ice, and organic molecules hundreds of kilometers into space, like cosmic geysers rivaling Earth's Old Faithful. Fueled by tidal heating from Saturn's gravitational tug, these jets feed the faint E-ring and blanket Enceladus in fresh snow, making it the solar system's whitest object, reflecting nearly all sunlight. Cassini's 2015 fly-through of the plumes detected carbon, nitrogen, and silica, suggesting a warm subsurface ocean with chemistry akin to Earth's deep-sea hydrothermal vents, prime real estate for life. In 2023, reanalysis of Cassini data confirmed phosphorus, a key ingredient for DNA in Enceladus's ocean, elevating it as a top target for astrobiology missions. Standing on Enceladus, you'd feel ice crunch underfoot, watch geysers soar against Saturn's rings, and ponder, could microbial life thrive beneath this frozen crust? Beyond Titan and Enceladus, Saturn's moons offer quirky charm and cosmic riddles. Mimas, nicknamed the Death Star for its massive Herschel crater, bears scars from ancient impacts, its pockmarked face a testament to the solar system's violent youth. Iapetus, half black as coal and half white as snow, puzzles scientists with its two-tone surface, possibly painted by dust from distant Phoebe. Rhea and Dione, with their fractured icy crusts, hint at past geological activity, while Hyperion, a spongy, chaotic tumbler, defies predictable rotation, wobbling like a cosmic top. These moons, formed from Saturn's primordial disk 4.5 billion years ago, dance in a gravitational waltz, some locked in resonances that stir tidal heat, keeping their interiors dynamic. For instance, Enceladus's 2-1 resonance with Dione amplifies its tidal flexing, powering its geysers. Saturn's moons are more than celestial oddities. They're keys to understanding the cosmos. Their icy compositions and subsurface oceans mirror Jupiter's Europa and exomoons detected in Kepler data, refining our search for habitable worlds. Titan's methane cycle, with rain, rivers, and lakes, offers a model for alien hydrology, while Enceladus's plumes provide a rare chance to sample an extraterrestrial ocean without drilling. Culturally, these moons have inspired awe for centuries. Galileo's 1610 sketches of Saturn's companions hinted at their existence, but Cassini's 2004 arrival revealed their splendor, fueling sci-fi visions of icy outposts in works like The Expanse. Ancient myths tied Saturn's moons to divine retinues, while modern poets liken Enceladus's plumes to cosmic tears of creation. Imagine standing on Titan's shores, methane waves lapping at your boots, or gazing skyward from Enceladus as geysers paint the void. These moons, from Titan's smoggy seas to Mimas's cratered gaze, are frozen worlds of wonder, whispering of cosmic dramas and the tantalizing possibility of life in the cold. As we study them, they challenge us to ask, could Saturn's moons hold the key to finding our cosmic neighbors, reshaping our story among the stars? Humanity's love affair with Saturn began millennia ago, when ancient Assyrians in 700 BCE charted its golden spark in the night sky, etching its path on clay tablets as a divine omen of harvest and time. To them, Saturn was a celestial wanderer, its slow, stately march across the stars, taking nearly 30 years to orbit the Sun, a symbol of cosmic order. By 1610, Galileo Galilei's crude telescope glimpsed Saturn's mysterious ears, puzzling him until Christian Huygens in 1655 revealed them as rings, a discovery that shattered Earth-centric views and expanded our cosmic horizons. In 1675, Giovanni Cassini mapped the rings' gaps, including the 4,800-kilometer-wide Cassini division, cementing Saturn as the solar system's crown jewel. These early observations, scribbled in candlelit journals, sparked a curiosity that would propel us from backyard telescopes to spacecraft piercing the void. The 20th century brought Saturn into sharper focus. In 1980 and 1981, NASA's Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft zipped past, beaming back vivid images of the planet's swirling storms, Titan's thick haze, and the hexagonal vortex at the North Pole, a six-sided storm that baffled scientists with its geometric precision. Voyager's snapshots, splashed across global headlines, transformed Saturn from a distant dot into a dynamic world, its rings a shimmering tapestry of ice. But the true revolution arrived in 2004, when NASA's Cassini spacecraft, carrying the European Space Agency's Huygens probe, slipped into Saturn's orbit after a 7-year journey. This 13-year odyssey, costing $3.26 billion and involving 5,000 scientists and engineers from 17 nations, redefined our understanding of the ring giant. Cassini's suite of instruments, cameras, radar, and spectrometers, unveiled Saturn's secrets with unprecedented clarity. In 2004, it captured a massive South Pole hurricane, its eye wall eerily Earth-like, spanning 8,000 kilometers. In 2005, the Huygens probe descended through Titan's orange haze, landing on a surface of methane-soaked pebbles, revealing lakes and rivers that mirrored Earth's hydrology. That same year, Cassini spotted Enceladus's geysers, plumes of water vapor and organics spraying from its south pole, hinting at a subsurface ocean. By 2007, radar pierced Titan's clouds, mapping methane seas like Kraken Mare, while infrared sensors tracked Saturn's seasonal storms. In 2017, Cassini's grand finale, a series of 22 daring dives between Saturn and its rings, revealed the rings' youthful age, perhaps 100 million years, and their icy composition, before the spacecraft plunged into Saturn's atmosphere, vaporizing in a fiery farewell but sending data until its final seconds. Cassini's legacy endures. Reanalysis of its data in 2023 confirmed phosphorus in Enceladus's plumes, a key ingredient for life, fueling calls for astrobiology missions. Hubble's 2020 images of Saturn's storms and James Webb's 2024 infrared portraits of its rings keep the planet in focus, while citizen scientists, sifting Cassini's archives online, track weather patterns and ring features, democratizing discovery. Saturn's exploration has also reshaped technology and culture. Cassini's imaging systems inspired advances in medical diagnostics, like MRI scanners, while its data fueled sci-fi epics like Interstellar, where ringed planets and icy moons became backdrops for human survival. Artists and poets, from John Keats's musings on Saturn's golden orb to modern works likening Enceladus's plumes to cosmic breath, draw inspiration from its majesty. Yet Saturn's mysteries beckon louder than ever. Scientists dream of a Saturn atmospheric probe in the 2040s, plunging into its golden clouds to sample their chemistry, or an Enceladus lander, scooping plume ice for signs of microbial life. A Titan orbiter, building on Cassini's maps, could explore its methane seas, while a ring-grazing mission might study their erosion up close. These ambitions, outlined in NASA's 2022 Decadal Survey, face hurdles, budgets, politics, and the 8-year trek to Saturn, but promise to deepen our cosmic story. Could Enceladus's ocean harbor life? Do Titan's organics hold clues to Earth's origins? Saturn's pull is irresistible, not just for science, but for our imagination, urging us to chase its golden glow. From ancient stargazers to Cassini's builders, Saturn has been a beacon of wonder, driving us to innovate, explore, and dream. Its rings and moons, captured in pixelated Voyager frames and Cassini's high-definition mosaics, remind us that the universe is vast yet knowable if we dare to reach. Imagine standing among the engineers in 2017, watching Cassini's final signal fade, or peering through a telescope like Galileo, awestruck by Saturn's rings. This quest, spanning centuries, challenges us to ask, what new horizons will Saturn's mysteries unlock, and how will they redefine our place among the stars? Saturn, the ringed gas giant, is a realm of ferocious storms, shimmering rings, and moons that might harbor life. Its golden glow and icy bands, set against the cosmic dark, remind us how vast yet fragile our universe is, daring us to explore its wonders. As we plan new voyages, Saturn whispers, could its icy moons hold life, reshaping our cosmic story? Saturn teaches us to find harmony in chaos, like rings enduring amidst storms. It invites us to embrace our own complexities and shine. How can we, like Saturn, weave beauty from our challenges? Let its majesty inspire you to dream big and cherish life's fleeting marvels. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear them. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media, linked below. Knowledge is a treasure that never runs dry.